Let's begin with the default environment configuration for development. Here in Environment TS, we tell our Angular application it's not in production mode by setting production to false. Additionally, we define API URL, setting it to the local API URL. This file will typically be used for local development, where we want to connect to a backend server running on our machine. Moving on to the production environment configuration in Environment Prod TS. Here, we switch production to true. This change has implications for optimization and debugging options in the built Angular application. We also update API URL to point to our production API, ensuring that network requests are made to the correct server once the app is deployed. When we write code in our Angular app, we import the environment object from Environments, Environment. The Angular CLI handles the magic behind the scenes, swapping the environment file based on our build command. So if we run a development build, it imports from Environment TS. If we run a production build, it uses Environment Prod TS. Here, we demonstrate logging the API URL, which will vary depending on the active environment configuration. Finally, when we're ready to bundle our application for production, we use the Angular CLI build command with the prod flag. This command triggers optimization processes like minification and ahead-of-time compilation and ensures that the environment prod TS file is used for the build. The resulting output is a set of static files optimized for production deployment, referencing your production APIs and settings.